Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to stream OBS with audio to Discord. Sometimes you may want to stream your OBS content with audio to Discord so your friends or audience can see and hear everything you're sharing, like games, tutorials, or presentations. OBS allows you to capture both video and audio, but you need to configure it correctly to make sure the sound works during the stream. Here's how to do it on your computer. First, open OBS Studio on your computer and make sure everything you want to stream is ready in your scenes. Now, click on File from the top left corner to open the menu. Then click on Settings to access all the OBS configuration options. Here, click on Audio from the left side menu. Now, under Monitoring Device, select Speakers. This is important because it allows OBS to play the audio through your speakers and send it to Discord at the same time. Then click on Apply or OK to save your changes. Next, go back to the main OBS window and click on the plus icon from the bottom left side in the Sources section. Now, click on Application Audio Capture. This will allow you to capture audio from a specific program or window on your computer. Here, type any name you like for the new source and click on OK. Now, for Windows, select the application or window whose audio you want to capture, like a game, media player, or browser, then click on OK. Here, you can see the source you just created in the sources list. This means OBS is now capturing audio from that application. Then click on the three dots in the Audio Mixer section. Here, click on Advanced Audio Properties. Now find your audio source, click on Monitor Off, and select Monitor and Output. This step is crucial because it allows the audio to play through your speakers while also being sent to Discord, ensuring your viewers hear everything. Then click on Close to save the changes. Now right-click on an empty area in OBS. Then click on Windowed Projector. This opens your scene in a separate window that can be captured by Discord. Now go to Discord, start a voice or video call, and share the windowed projector window. Your friends will now see your OBS stream with both video and audio working properly. Finally, you can check the audio levels in OBS and Discord to make sure everything is clear and balanced. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.